What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use text chat in Battlefield 6 on your PlayStation or Xbox. Here's the easiest way to do it. While you're in a match, start by pressing the options button on PlayStation or the menu button on Xbox. After that, open the chat window by pressing the touchpad on PlayStation or the view button on Xbox. This will bring up the small text chat box on your screen, which we can use to send quick messages during gameplay. You can switch between team and squad by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. The layout isn't the best, but if you wanna send a message to everyone, choose write all and press cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox. Type your message and it will appear for all players instantly. You can repeat this anytime by pressing touchpad or view. If you want faster access, check your controller settings to see if there's a layout that opens the chat more quickly. And if you prefer typing smoothly without struggling with the controller, you can plug in a small USB or wireless keyboard for much easier text input. That's the method that works. Hope it helps, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.